In this video, we're going to look at, I'm on the wrong page, sorry about that. In this video, we're going to look at some problems from section 11-3. We're starting on page 7 here. And on this page, we're just asked to multiply x plus 4 times x plus 2. And to do this, we're just going to start by multiplying each term of the first factor by the second factor. That's x times x plus 2 plus 4 times x plus 2. And then we can multiply through. This is multiple. We're just doing distribution multiple times. So that's x squared plus 2x plus 4x plus 8. Which gives us x squared plus 6x plus 8 as our product. Next up. Our next problems involve doing the same sort of thing, but now we're multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. We've got 2 of these to do. So our first one is 3x minus 5 times 2x squared minus x minus 1. And we do the same kind of thing. We get 3x times 2x squared minus x minus 1 minus 5 times 2x squared minus x minus 1. So now I could do this out explicitly and do every single term one at a time, but then I've got 6 of these to carry out and write down again. And I'm just going to go through and say, okay, well, 3x times 2x squared, that's 6x cubed. 3x times negative x is negative 3x. 3x times negative 1, negative 3x squared, I should have said. 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. Negative 5 times 2x squared is minus 10x squared. Negative 5 times negative x is 5x. Negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5. And now I combine my like terms to get 6x cubed. 3 minus 10 is minus 13x squared minus 3x plus 5x plus 2x plus 5. We do the same thing down here. Now we've got a trinomial times another trinomial. So that's 2x squared times 3x squared minus 5x plus 6 plus 3x times 3x squared minus 5x plus 6 minus 2 times 3x squared plus 5x plus 6. I don't know why that slid over like that. There we go, that's better. Okay. So now 2x squared times 3x squared, that's 6x to the 4th. 2x squared times negative 5x is negative 10x cubed. 2x squared times 6 is plus 12x squared. Plus 3x times 3x squared is 9x cubed. 3x times negative 5x is negative 15x squared. 3x times 6 is plus 18x. Minus 2 times 3x squared is minus 6x squared. Negative 2 times 5x is negative 10x. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. Combine like terms, I've got 6x to the 4th minus 10x cubed plus 9x cubed is minus x cubed. 12x squared minus 15x squared is negative 3x squared. Minus 6x squared is negative 9x squared. 9x cubed, 18x minus 10x is plus 8x minus 12. 6x to the 4th minus x cubed minus 9x squared plus 8x minus 12 is our product. Continuing on. Here we're asked to use the FOIL method to multiply. This means that we're going to do things in the order of first, inside, outside, last. So we take our two first terms and multiply those together. 2x times x is 2x squared. Next, we take our outside terms, multiply those together. 2x times x is 2x, that's our outside terms, not our, sorry, I'm doing the right one. 2x times 1 is 2x. Our inside terms, minus 3 times x is negative 3x. And finally, our last terms, negative 3 times 1 is negative 3, and I combine like terms to get 2x squared minus x minus 3. Stop. Sorry. Yeah. Next up, we have we are asked to find the products of these conjugate pairs mentally. So coming back to our paper, we've got x plus 2 times x minus 2. Well, that is going to be a difference of squares. So we take the square of the first terms and get x squared, minus take the squares of the absolute value of the last terms. 2 times 2 is 4. Likewise, here we take the square of the first terms. 2a times 2a is 4a squared, minus the square of the last term is y squared. That's it for that one. Next up. Next, we're asked to square these binomials using the FOIL method. And here we have those binomials. Okay, well, that's just a matter of taking x plus 2 times x plus 2. We multiply the first terms to get x squared. We multiply the outside terms for 2x, the inside terms for another 2x, and the last terms for 4. Combine like terms to get x squared plus 4x plus 4. For this one, the same sort of thing. Well, it's 2x minus 5 times 2x minus 5. Our first term will be the product of the first terms. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Next term will be the product of the outside terms. 2x times negative 5 is negative 10x, and then we get the same thing again, negative 10x. And negative 5 times negative 5 is 25. So we combine like terms to get 4x squared minus 20x plus 25. Finally, that's 3a minus 2b times 3a minus 2b, which gives us 9a squared minus 6ab minus 6ab plus 4b squared. Combine like terms to get 9a squared minus 12ab plus 4b squared. Next, we are asked to square these without doing the FOIL method. We're going to do these mentally. And we know that the pattern is a squared plus or minus 2ab plus b squared. So here we have them. We've got x plus 2 squared. Well, we just take our first term and square it. Then we take 2 times the product of the two terms. So that's 2 times x is plus 4x. And then we square the last term, plus 4. For this one, we take the square of the first term. That's 6x. That's 4x squared. We take the product of the two terms, which is 6x, and we square that, or we double that, so plus 12x. And then we square the last term, plus 9. Finally, 25x squared plus 10x plus 1. Okay. The last thing we want to do is to look at a couple of problems of this form where we're looking at sums and differences of cubes. Remember that we have a plus or minus b times a squared minus or plus ab plus b squared gives us a cubed plus or minus b cubed. This is going to be the last one for this video. So here we go. We've got m plus p times m squared minus mp plus p squared. That's going to be m cubed plus p cubed. It's got that plus in the center, then we have a plus in the center here. Likewise here, notice 4c is this 4c, when we square that, we get 16c squared. So this is the same sort of thing. This is the same form, just looks a little bit different. So that gives us 4c quantity squared, quantity cubed, minus d cubed, which is 64c cubed minus d cubed. That is it for this video. We'll have one more video for this section. If you have any questions, please get in touch.